Okay guys, so now we're getting ready to pack our Mewtwo for shipment. I'm going to demonstrate how you properly pack a Pokemon card, that way it stays safe during transit, and that it reaches your buyer in the same condition as when you listed it on eBay. You're going to take a penny sleeve, and you want to pop it open, like so, and then slide your card inside. Next, you'll take a top loader, and you're going to want to take your index finger and slide it in there, pressing on top of the card ever so slightly. Okay. We never use tape because we don't want our buyers to have to cut and possibly damage the card. So we use a team bag instead. The team bag is just a small plastic bag where a top loader fits in very nice and snug. And you peel it off, and then you seal it. Next, take your bulk mailer and you slide your card inside. When you're ready to ship, you'll peel and seal. The next step is to prepare for shipment. You'll want to go to your orders, and you'll usually find your already paid for items under the awaiting a shipment option. For this tutorial, we're just going to use the same type of item, but one that hasn't been paid for yet. So you'll find your item in question, and from the drop-down box, you'll select Print Shipping Label. Once it loads, you'll enter in your package specifics. So that'll be weight and dimensions. Date. Once updated, you'll see prices. It's always preset to United States Postal Service, but you can select other options. If you're selling single cards or a handful of cards at a time, usually the United States Postal Service is the best way to go for any packages that are under 16 ounces. Once you're ready, you'll purchase and print label. After you purchase and print your label, another tab will open, and that's where you can print your label, and you can use a regular printer with either adhesive labels or regular printing paper. You'll affix it on your package, and then you can drop it off at any post office drop box or your local post office. If you found this video informative in any way, and if it really helped you, please hit that like button, and please subscribe as I continue to create more content. Thanks, see you later.